Across Ontario, businesses trust A2Z Building Maintenance to keep commercial and industrial spaces clean, safe, professional, and ready for whatever the day demands. You feel it in safety concerns, distracted teams, unexpected costs, and daily operations that become harder to manage than they should be. A2Z Building Maintenance solves that with cleaning programs built around your facility, your schedule, and the standards your operation has to meet. From routine upkeep to specialized deep cleaning, we tailor the work so your space stays cleaner, safer, and easier to run. For commercial spaces, A2Z covers the essentials that shape how your business looks and feels every day, from office cleaning and janitorial support to sanitization. We also handle windows, carpets, and floor care, so every visible detail supports a polished experience for staff, tenants, and visitors. In industrial environments, the challenges are tougher. Dust, grease, grime, and high-traffic wear can quickly create risk for both equipment and people. A2Z brings the process and discipline needed for warehouses and demanding facilities where safety, cleanliness, and compliance have to work together. When standard service isn't enough, A2Z steps in with post-construction cleaning, deep cleaning, odor removal, stain treatment, and advanced sanitization. That means you get a partner ready for resets, recoveries, and high-impact cleaning needs that demand extra care and precision. What sets A2Z apart is how the service is delivered. Trained, certified teams follow clear standards, backed by quality checks and modern equipment. Operations don't stop at 5, and neither do we. We push beyond the limits, ensuring every detail is accounted for. A2Z is available around the clock for routine schedules, urgent needs, and fast emergency response. Across southern Ontario, we support offices, schools, hospitals, restaurants, manufacturing sites, and other facilities that need dependable coverage. Safety and compliance are built into the work from the start, with proper protocols, approved chemicals, and teams trained to operate professionally on site. The result is more than a clean building. You get a healthier environment, a stronger first impression, and a workplace that runs more smoothly. For managers, that means fewer headaches, fewer distractions, and more confidence that this part of the operation is fully under control. Think about a warehouse where dust buildup starts affecting equipment and slowing production. Proactive deep cleaning helps prevent that disruption before it gets expensive. That's why clients choose A2Z. You get dependable service, clear documentation, and a team you can trust to represent your standards well. A2Z Building Maintenance. Trusted, professional, reliable. Call us today or visit our website to schedule your free consultation. Let's clean up, build up, and move forward together.